The icy waters off Kodiak Island, Alaska, are a world of raw, untamed beauty. In late summer 2025, a local fishing crew discovered something shocking: the remains of a stellar sea lion bitten almost perfectly in half. The wound was clean, powerful, and unlike anything the fishermen had ever seen. It looked like the work of a single giant mouth armed with rows of razor-sharp teeth. The force required to sever such a massive animal in one bite was staggering. Local predators like orcas were considered, but the bite didn't match their messy hunting style. This was precise, almost surgical. Theories spread quickly. Some whispered of sea monsters, others looked for scientific answers. Could it have been a Pacific sleeper shark? Unlikely. They're sluggish scavengers, not surface hunters. The evidence just didn't add up. The mystery deepened, leaving scientists and locals alike to wonder what powerful creature was lurking, unseen, in the Alaskan sea. This dramatic event became a puzzle that demanded answers. It was a tantalizing hint that something new and unexpected was happening in these northern waters. The search for answers would force researchers to look beyond Alaska's usual predators. They began to consider a legendary visitor, a predator famous for its power and its preference for warmer seas. The mystery of the Kodiak bite was just the beginning. Alaska's waters are home to a fascinating group of sharks perfectly adapted to the cold. The most common species here are the spiny dogfish, the salmon shark, and the massive Pacific sleeper shark. Spiny dogfish are small, long-lived, and travel in large schools, using venomous spines for defense. Salmon sharks, Alaska's high-performance predators, look like miniature great whites and can keep their bodies warmer than the surrounding water. This adaptation lets them chase down fast prey like salmon and herring. These sharks are top predators, keeping fish populations in balance. They are the backbone of Alaska's shark population, perfectly suited for the cold, nutrient-rich environment. Scientists are working to learn more about them, from their numbers to their life cycles. Understanding these sharks is key to protecting the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. They might not be as famous as their southern cousins, but Alaska's native sharks are every bit as important. They are the true kings and queens of the cold northern seas, yet none of these residents seemed capable of the Kodiak bite. The search for the culprit continued. Among Alaska's native sharks, the Pacific sleeper shark stands out for its sheer size and mystery. These giants can grow over 20 feet long, rivaling the length of a pickup truck. Sleeper sharks cruise slowly along the ocean floor, hundreds or thousands of feet below the surface. Despite their size, they're sluggish predators and scavengers, using powerful suction to feed on anything from crabs to whale carcasses. Their slow metabolism suits the cold, deep sea where food is scarce. Could a sleeper shark have caused the Kodiak bite? It's possible, but unlikely. They aren't known for explosive, high-speed attacks at the surface. The evidence pointed to a different kind of hunter. Very little is known about the life of the Pacific sleeper shark. They're rarely seen and hard to study. Researchers are working to learn more, but the Kodiak mystery remained unsolved. The bite was too clean, too powerful, and too bold for a sleeper shark. The search for answers pointed to a new suspect. When you think of sharks, the great white comes to mind, a true apex predator. Great whites are found worldwide, but are most famous off California, South Africa, and Australia. Their warm-blooded bodies let them hunt in a wide range of temperatures, but they prefer cooler, not frigid, waters. For decades, scientists believed Alaska was too cold for great whites. Rare, unconfirmed sightings and occasional carcasses suggested otherwise, but these were dismissed as flukes. The idea of a great white in Alaska was more legend than reality. The Kodiak sea lion bite changed that. The wound matched the hunting style of a great white, a single, powerful strike designed to incapacitate large prey. Suddenly, the possibility of a great white in Alaska was back in the spotlight. Could this legendary predator be making its presence known in the last frontier? The evidence was mounting. The mystery took a stunning turn in March 2026, not from a fisherman's tale, but from a satellite ping. A female great white shark, named Kara, was tracked off Vancouver Island just south of Alaska. It was the first time a tagged great white had been officially recorded this far north, in the Pacific. Kara, a 5-meter 1-ton mature female, had been tagged months earlier in California. She swam hundreds of miles north, venturing into new territory. Researchers believe such migrations are purposeful, searching for food, mates, or safe birthing grounds. Kara might be establishing a new migratory route. Her presence so far north provided a compelling new theory for the Kodiak mystery. A large female great white like Kara could easily take down a stellar sea lion. The timing and location fit. While Kara wasn't at the exact scene, her journey proved that great whites were indeed traveling these northern waters. The phantom hunter of Kodiak might not have been a phantom at all. It might have been a traveler like Kara, passing through on an epic journey. How do we know where sharks like Kara go? The answer is cutting-edge tracking technology. Researchers briefly bring a live great white onto a special platform, gather data, and attach a satellite tag to its dorsal fin. Each time the shark's fin breaks the surface, the tag sends a GPS ping to a satellite. This lets scientists map the shark's movements in near real time. For years, great white migrations were a mystery. Now, tracking reveals their secret journeys. Studies have shown great whites travel thousands of miles, sometimes to places we never expected. Kara's tag is part of this revolution, helping scientists see patterns and identify key feeding and birthing grounds. This knowledge is essential for conservation. To protect these animals, we need to know where they live, travel, and raise their young. Every ping builds a clearer picture of their world. The Kodiak mystery was now part of a much bigger story. Why would a great white like Kara travel so far north? The answer: food, safety, and reproduction. Alaska's coasts are rich with seals and sea lions, perfect prey for a large predator. As great white populations recover, competition for food in traditional hunting grounds increases, pushing some to explore new territories. Kara could be following the food, or searching for safe, food-rich areas to give birth. The birthing grounds of great whites in the North Pacific remain a mystery. Great whites are incredible travelers, capable of crossing entire ocean basins. Kara's journey is a reminder that their world is the entire ocean. The appearance of a great white in the far north signals bigger changes in our oceans. Two forces are at play: successful conservation and a warming climate. Legal protections have helped great white populations rebound, increasing competition and encouraging range expansion. At the same time, rising sea temperatures are shifting species habitats northward. A great white might now find Alaska's waters more tolerable than decades ago. Both factors, growing populations and warming seas, are driving sharks like Kara north. Her journey is both a conservation success and a sign of our changing planet. Kara is a living case study of how marine life responds to these forces. She's a messenger from the deep, telling us about the health and future of our oceans. The thought of a great white in Alaska can be unsettling, but it's not a cause for alarm. These rare visitors are a sign of a dynamic, healthy ocean. The risk to humans is virtually zero. These sharks are not seeking us out. Their presence is an opportunity for science and a reason to celebrate. Kara's journey provides invaluable data, challenging old assumptions and opening new research avenues. Every new sighting helps us protect these vital apex predators. By understanding their movements, we can better manage human activities and ensure peaceful coexistence. If you hear of a great white in the far north, let your first reaction be wonder, not worry. These rare visitors are a gift to science and a reminder of the wildness that still exists in our world. Let's embrace these mysteries and work to ensure these magnificent wanderers have a healthy ocean to roam for generations to come.